Hi the must lovers, let's bake bread without an oven. I bet you will stop buying bread from the market after watching this video. And for this recipe, we'll be using flour, sugar, butter, milk flavor, vanilla, yeast, and salt. To begin, I start by adding all the dry ingredients into my already sieved flour. Once you are done adding, mix to combine well and set that aside. Once you are done mixing, add in your butter and mix palm to palm until you achieve a breadcrumbs. Into a clean bowl, add in your water and your vanilla flavor. Mix to combine well and set that aside. Make a well at the center of the dry ingredients and go in with your liquid ingredients. Mix very well until you get a smooth, stretchy dough. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface and transfer your dough and continue kneading. Knead until you get a very soft and smooth, stretchy dough. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you to my amazing subscribers. Your love and support means a lot to me and I don't take that for granted. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Like this video and also turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video, okay? Once you are done kneading, transfer the dough into a bowl. Cover and allow to proof for at least 30 to 45 minutes. While waiting for the dough to proof, grease your pan with butter or oil and set that aside. After 45 minutes, this is what our dough looks like. Knock back the dough and transfer to the work surface and knead again the second time. Cut into desired shape and place in a grease pan. Allow to proof again the second time. To preheat your pot, add some salt into a dry pot and place your stove stand inside the pot, or you can use stones if you don't have a stove stand. Cover and allow to preheat for at least 10 to 20 minutes. After 10 to 20 minutes, transfer your already proofed dough inside the pot. Cover and bake for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, apply some butter on the surface of the bread. This gives the bread a shining and attractive surface. You can actually make use of egg mixture if you like. Cover and bake for 20 more minutes. After 20 minutes, this is how the bread that was baked without an oven looks like. You can actually take this with tea, pap, or any drink of your choice. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer every question that is being asked. And if you have watched this video to this very point, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and be part of this family, okay? See you guys on my next video. Bye.